doing a battle between Rock Zarafa, WR2F, versus the undefeatable Hades Gill, 145 PB01 11. I really don't know, but that's kind of the parts I can remember. So, hold on. As always, the winner is Zarafa. So, hold on. Yes, it is, Daddy. Yes, it is. There. Okay, see, I guess what happened was Zarafa had tried to put a big blow on. He tried to put a big blow on Hades, and Hades, I guess, has a special move that I don't know that can block it because he's a defense type. But I think he's stamina. I mean, that's what the box said, but he's defense type. So there's not going to be... He is the winner, clearly.